Our company has started working in 2007, but we get a big leap forward in our business after association with Hexagon Metrology 2013. And we have a stationary CMM, then we have portable arm, then a laser tracker, like a laser tracker, and VMS. When we started our business, we feel that we should work outside Aurangabad and Maharashtra region and work in overall India. So at that time, we felt we should be connected with a big company and a number one company like Hexagon with their wide range of products which can be used in aerospace industry, steel industry, power plants, and for big structures inspection. In that sense, where we get got connected with them, and then our business grow multifold. We got connected with Hexagon. One thing I find most important, the product quality of Hexagon machines and the accuracy these machines give us. So because of that, we can expand multifold in different areas of manufacturing and process industry. Basically, we are growing with the Hexagon. We want to grow with them, and the service they provide us is excellent.